What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. It is going to be a great one. I have a new modification for the car that we are going to install. This is going to be the install video. Stay tuned for the reaction video. But I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, I bought myself the Roar pedal throttle controller. Now, this is a modification that everyone I see on forums, on websites, on Facebook groups. Now you have your Roar pedal, which is the one I bought. You have the pedal commander, and I'm sure there's other ones out there, but this is the one I went for, and I will explain the reasons in another video. But we're going to open this box up, look at the contents of this, and then we're going to do a quick install. And then following this video will be the reaction video. I am so excited for this upgrade. It is one of the biggest things that I know of buying for my car. One of the best upgrades, and for me in my path of making my 2015 Dodge Challenger a race car. And I know one of the biggest downfalls, in my opinion, is the throttle latency that comes along with these cars. And this is supposed to, air quotes, fix that. So without further ado, let's jump into this and see what came in this beautiful box. Let's take a look. What the f? Just kidding. I pretty much took out the main contents of the box here. We have the display for the Roar pedal, and this is pretty much the McGubbins you need to hook into the throttle to the gas pedal of your car. It came with your instructions. If you're installing this, I have the instructions actually not with me. Pretty much the biggest thing you need to know when installing this item, this Roar pedal, is to let the car sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes with the key out. As you can see, I have the key laying there with my glasses. Let the key out of the car, away from the car, so the computer itself can fully shut down. This prevents it from throwing a check engine light after installing the Roar pedal. So let's head out to the Challenger and get to installing. Super easy process. Just the biggest thing is to let the car sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can pretty much follow the directions, and it's super simple to install. Let's jump into it. Okay, here we are in the car. As you can see, back yonder there is the pedal. I have the plug unplugged. Didn't realize this would need pulled down in advance. There's two clips. One that goes there, and then the one that goes there. We won't talk about why this one is missing and why this one is here. This is the first one I did. Pretty easy. This one wasn't so easy, so I had to give it a little elbow grease, and it may not have broke, but it's off. I have the plug unplugged. Now we're ready to, this one here. This goes in here originally. In there, I unplugged it there. Super simple, unplugs, easy. Okay. Cables there. Cables here. Obviously male to female comes to play here, so it looks like should be, I'm not even gonna have to bother explaining it. If you can't figure out which plug goes where, you need to click off this video and go learn a book or something. So I'm gonna plug these in quick and we'll be right back with you. Okay, we got her plugged in here. Where are we at? There we go. Sorry, I'm trying not to block my light here. See the black box there with the numbers on it right in front of you? That is the new pedal, part of the new install. That red clip there is, I just want to point out, make sure that is always pushed down. That will help secure it. I'm gonna push that down, and then we are pretty much done. Okay, we are all secured in. Now we have our cord here. This comes off, this cord here comes off the box down yonder. Simple enough. There you have the Roar pedal display screen cord coming from the gas pedal. Goes into this here. So you can see, bada beam, bada boom. Plugged in, and if I am correct, I should be able to go grab my key, start this bichacho up, and we should be running. Now I'm going to cross my fingers because I don't want any check engine lights, and if this doesn't work, I might cry. So I'm gonna grab my key, come back out. We're gonna try and start this bitch up and see what kind of shit we're dealing with. I'm gonna go ahead and secure this stuff up because I know I'm a genius and I know it's gonna work. So I'm gonna tie this stuff up just so I have this hanging here if I need to. I already broke one clip, so I'll just have to pull the one clip out and I'll replug it in the way it's supposed to be, but I have no worries, it should work. So I'll do that. And a leaf? How does this get in there? Do that, start it up, see where we're at. Okay, we were all pushed back up. Heard a few noises that probably shouldn't have heard. Just kidding, but I have the cord here. We have the doohickey hanging here. It's upside down, and I dropped it. Just drape that around at the moment. Okay, turn ignition off, let sit for 50. Turn the ignition off, let sit for 15 minutes. Done, unplug the original connector, blah, 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 blah. I have my key. I think it's in my pocket. Yep, it's in my pocket. No foot on the brake yet. I'm just gonna. We have life. Now the radio's gonna blare. No. So I want to turn it in no mode first because I just want to test to see if there's gonna be check engine lights or anything. All right, put on the brake. Look at that. Freaking bird has the decency to crap all over my windshield. No check engine light. It's still on no. No means normal mode. That is, this is not affected. I just want to make sure the gas pedal is working. Okay, we have gas. So far, so good. This thing is working. All right, guys, that is how you install the Roar pedal throttle controller. Now, this is just going to be straight installation video. I will be doing a reaction video. That's what I'm going to go do now. Subscribe if you're new. We were like so close. I think I'm 50 subscribers off 1,000 subscribers. That'd be fantastic if you hit that subscribe button for me, like the video, and comment down below whether you have the Roar pedal, the throttle commander, or any of the other throttle controller systems installed in your vehicle, and what vehicle you have it installed in. I'm curious to know what your opinion is and how you enjoyed it, and if you have found any problems whatsoever with this. I'm gonna go test this sumbitch out because I am excited, and yeah, let's go see what it's like. I'll catch you there. You guys take care, and we'll see you in the next video.